guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Grace's Hot Stuff. I have been for a while researching wealth and energy cleansing bracelets, and obsidian kept popping up on my radar. So, what is black obsidian? Among other things I learned about obsidian crystals, they are one of the more abundantly found rock crystals formed when molten lava cools super fast, creating a glass-type rock. Black obsidian is often referred to as volcanic glass. You should wear the black obsidian bracelet on your left hand. Like other crystals, this enhances its power to protect and cleanse your energetic space. Wearing it on the left hand is also believed to attract luck and good wealth. And some also says to wear it on your dominant hand with the pixie dragon facing towards you. When not wearing it, I have been advised to keep or place it in my living room with the head of the pixie facing the front door. You can also rub pixie dragon for good luck. Remember, don't let anyone touch your bracelet. Well, if they do, just wash it with water. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!